Let's see how to implement beautiful custom designs on tables in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, as you'll see, we have a table right here, which includes a list of items, their unit cost, and their total cost. And although it is complete, it looks very flat and not visually appealing. Now, to elevate its design, what we can do is click on any cell on the table, and that will open up two new tabs up here, Table Design and Table Layout. What we want to do is head on over to Table Design. Now, click on this arrow right here to see the different styles. And you'll see that they have a lot of presets for different types of tables. So they have presets for plain tables, grid tables, and list tables. Since this table is a list table that includes a list of different items, let's go ahead and click one of these designs. And as you can see, that automatically applies to our table. Now, if you want a more specific approach, or if you have a more specific design in mind, you can also click on this arrow again. You can modify table style, which will allow you to change things such as the font, the line spacing, the borders, as well as the border styles. And that is how you can implement beautiful custom designs on tables in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.